Hello everyone. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to change the price of a listing on Booking.com. Let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice and go to admin.booking.com. Log in to your Booking.com admin account using your credentials. Once logged in, you will see the admin dashboard interface. On the dashboard, look for the menu options. Find and click on Rates and Availability. From the drop-down or side menu, select Calendar. This will open the calendar view of your property's availability and pricing. In the calendar view, locate the Bulk Edit option on the right-hand side of the screen. Click on it to access a range of editing features. Among these options, find and select Prices. Clicking on this will allow you to manage and update your property's rates. You can now choose to modify the standard rates or add new rates according to your preference. Make sure to input the correct pricing details for the selected dates or rate plans. Once you've updated the prices, review the changes to ensure accuracy. After finalizing the updates, click on the Save Changes button. This will apply the new pricing to your listing. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that the changes have been successfully saved. That's it. You have now updated the price of your listing on Booking.com. Thank you for watching.